They had some stardom last year. Where did they finish last year? They went to the...
So we went all the way up. We actually hosted the MLS Cup Championship. We lost in PKs, which is kind of something that I'm not really into. I don't like ties, but I definitely don't like going to PKs. I think there's a better way to do this, but I'm not the guy who creates it, so I don't know really what
Right.
it is. But there's got to be something better, because going to PKs, it's a 50-50 shot, you know.
But, that game was amazing because they came back.
At the end,
At the very end.
95 minutes in or something, they came back.
Yeah, absolutely
To tie the
incredible goal to tie the game. Sent the entire city in a frenzy. It was really special. A good moment for me. I got to jump off the log and get a hold of Timber Jim, give him a big hug, and I told him, I'm cutting half the log, you're cutting the other half. His daughter was there. Both of his daughters that are live were there, and they had never seen him cut a log.
Oh, man.
So they got to witness him cutting a log at the stadium. And sadly, one of them passed away on Christmas, so
Oh, no.
makes it even more special that we had to have that moment together and in front of his family and experience what it was. It's really, really something that was neat.
Thank you so much for watching. Please check out our social channels right here.
Our podcast channels here, or tune into the Weekend Warriors radio show every weekend across the Pacific Northwest.
This has been another episode of your Par Weekend Warriors.
We'll see you next time.